there, Craig from fixitfallows here again, and I'm back in my garage. You usually see me tinkering away either at the workbench or on a bike or fixing something else, something or another, just generally passing the time. Well, today, something a bit less glamorous, I'm afraid. The drain into which the washing machine discharges is got a little bit smelly. So I've pulled the washing machine hose out of the downpipe and I've slid the downpipe upwards. So that it clears out of the way of the drain grating. I can now pull the grating out, remove the outer frame of the grating to allow me to get to the inner part of the drain. Now this inner part of the drain pulls out. Sometimes you have to put your hand down the hole, right way down, and latch your fingers underneath the bottom side of it to give it a good pull. But this should come out using this method. It will come out. There you go, up it comes. And that is the source of the smell. That grey sludge is basically soap residue that comes out of your washing machine, and over time it just builds up down there, and then bacteria in there grows and it just gets smelly. I mean, look at it all. Horrible stuff. Over time that goes really hard, and if not cleaned will cause problems in your drain other than just smells. Mind you, it's like a primordial sludge. Leave it long enough, something might evolve. Something might evolve to the extent that it makes a video about cleaning drains. So I've just taken off the rubber seal that goes around the very top of the black insert part of the drain. Give that a good clean. There's a bit of sludge on it and on the recess itself. Just look how grim it is in there. Ugh. Right, that's it. Time for the marigolds. Rolling the sleeves up, and you just got to get your hand down there. Now it's just a case of hooking the sludge out of the bottom, off the sides. Look at that gunk. Rotten, horrible stuff. Once you've felt like you've hooked as much of the gunk out as you can with your hand, it's time to get a sponge in there and start getting the dirty water out now. The worst of it's all out now. Now there's just that little bit of baked on muck at the bottom. Time to scrape off the residue at the bottom of the downpipe, just using a scraper here. I'll do the outside, and then using this narrow scraper I can insert up the tube and do the inside as well. beautiful assistant pours some soda powder down there along with some white vinegar. This should attack the last of the residue at the bottom of the drain. Now, using one of these wire wall type scouring pads, I will try and clean that residue off.